Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up task automation with Zapier for lead follow-up, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, head over to the Zapier website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Zapier dashboard. Click on Make a Zap to start creating your automation. You will first choose a trigger app. This app will define the event that starts your automation. For our lead follow-up, we will frequently use a form tool like Google Forms or Typeform. Select your chosen trigger app from the list. Next, choose the specific trigger event. For example, if you're using Google Forms, select New Response in Spreadsheet. Click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, connect your trigger app account by clicking on Sign in to Google. Authorize Zapier to access your account. Once connected, select the specific form you want to use. After selecting the form, click Continue. Next, test the trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the test is successful, click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to choose an action app. For lead follow-up, email services like Gmail or MailChimp work well. Select your action app from the list. Then, choose the specific action you want to perform. For example, if using Gmail, select Send Email. Click Continue to configure the action. Connect your email account by clicking on Sign in to Google or the relevant email service. Authorize Zapier to access your email account. Now, fill in the necessary fields for the email. In the To field, map the email address from your lead form. In the Subject field, enter an attention-grabbing email subject. In the Body section, craft a personalized message for your leads. You can use dynamic fields to personalize the message further. Once done, click Continue. Now, test this action to verify if the email sends correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.